Hi, I just want to show you how to hang your indent if you don't already know. So first of all, it's important that these words be centered. So I just centered those. We're in Word, by the way, obviously. Um, so it's best to do this automatically, not manually, not by using the tab key. So you highlight your citations, you right click, choose paragraph, and right here under special, choose hanging. And now, voila, looks perfect. Okay, let's go over here and take a quick look at Google Docs because it's different. All right, so we center that, and then we choose all of that. And so you kind of have to trick Google Docs. Use these little tabs up here, move them over. Oops. Move them, well, anyway, you're going to do a better job at this. You move them both over, and then you move the top one back, and that's how you get your hanging indent.